everyone! Today, we are going to explore the types of conflict, a key element in storytelling that drives the plot and keeps reader engaged. So by the end of this video, you will understand what conflict is in literature, identify main types of conflict, and analyze an example using different conflicts. So let's get started. What is conflict? Conflict, to begin with, is a struggle or problem that a character faces in a story. It is what creates tension and makes the story interesting. So, without conflict, a story will be dull because nothing challenges the characters or pushes the plot forward. So, conflicts can be internal, happening within a character, or external, happening between a character and outside forces. So we have here 5 main types of conflict. First, character versus self under the internal conflict. So this type of conflict happens within a character's mind. The character struggle with emotions, decisions, or personal belief. For example, a student torn between telling the truth or protecting a friend. That is an example of internal conflict under the characters versus self. So this shows an internal struggle, no outside enemies, just the characters' thoughts and feelings.
So now let's discuss another type of conflict, which is character versus character. This is a conflict between two or more characters. It often involves disagreements, fights, or opposing goals. For example, two classmates compete to become the top student in their class. This creates tension because both characters want the same thing. To proceed, we have here the character versus nature. In this conflict, a character struggles against natural forces like weather, animals, or disasters. For example, a hiker tries to survive during a powerful storm in the mountains. Nature acts as the main challenge here.
Moving forward, we have the last type of conflict, the character versus society. This occurs when a character goes against rules, traditions, or expectations of society. For example, a person challenges unfair laws in their community. The conflict comes from societal norms or system. So, to sum it up, conflict is a struggle of a character faces in a story. It can be internal or external. So again, the 4 main types of conflict includes character versus self, character versus nature, character versus character, and character versus society.
Next time you read a story, try identifying the type of conflict involved. You might discover how it shapes the entire narrative. That would be all.
Thank you for watching.
Bye!